Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to grow your YouTube channel. So we've been recently using this YouTube Shorts to grow a YouTube channel. So we have tested this and it's really working. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a case study on how we used YouTube Shorts to grow a YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you guys the YouTube channel we used. I'm also going to show you guys the analytical report. And I'm also going to show you guys how many subscribers each YouTube Shorts got us. So like some short videos got us like around 10,000 subscribers plus, guys. So make sure you watch this video till the end because you don't want to miss out on this opportunity, because shorts are really performing well on YouTube right now. So you can build your audience, and once you have a good amount of audience, now you can start publishing normal videos and you can easily scale your YouTube channel, because that's what most of our students are doing right now. That's what we're teaching inside the training. So if you guys are interested in joining the training, make sure you reach us on Facebook, and because right now you can utilize shorts to grow your channel. So make sure you reach us on Facebook, and let's dive in. So let's look at this YouTube channel. So you can see the screen, right? So this is the exact YouTube channel we use to test the YouTube Shorts. So first I'll show you guys the social blade numbers, and I'll also show you guys the YouTube analytical report. So you can see, right, this one got around like 300 videos and 65,000 subscribers. Most of the subscribers came from YouTube Shorts. So it got around like 36 million views, guys, on total. So let's go here and see the views every single day. On 19th, we got 51,000, 69,000, 70,000, 80,000 views. So this is like consistent 60, 70,000 views. And you can see, right, some days we used to get like 147,000 views too. So most of the views coming from YouTube Shorts. I'll show you guys the analytical report and you will understand this. So you can see, right? So right now YouTube Shorts are really working well. So the duration of each Shorts will be around like 15 to 30 seconds on total. And you can easily make these videos like every single day consistently, or else you can hire someone from Fiverr to make these type of shorts. So the channel we run, we don't show our face or we don't do any voiceovers. So the shorts will be very easy for us to do it. So if you guys are running a channel on those type of niches, you can also do that. And if you are in a personal brand, you can also record yourself and publish it on your short feed. So let's look at the numbers on this YouTube channel. So you can see, right, this is the YouTube channel I showed you guys on Social Blade. In the last 28 days, we got like 2.3 million views, guys. Think about the amount of views if we get this on our main channel, like the channel I used to show you. So if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, so make sure you watch my other videos also, because we also have other YouTube channels where we get paid like $30-40 per 1,000 views. So if I get this amount of views on that YouTube channel, then I will be making around like at least $30,000 per month consistently. So right now we make around like $15,000 per month on those channels. So make sure you watch my other videos also. So let's look at the numbers on this one. So we got like 3,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. So let me show you guys the live views we get. So you can see, right, these are shorts, guys. So we got like 29,000 views on 48 hours, guys. So you can see the number. Let me go to the analytical report. So you can see, right, most of the views came from short feeds. And we got like 6.6 thousand subscribers from just one shot, guys. So we just need a couple of shots like this to build any YouTube channel we have. So right now YouTube Shorts are the real thing. So make sure you start making a lot of shorts on your YouTube channel, because these shorts are not going to take you much time to make. It's just going to take you like maybe like 5 minutes or 6 minutes to make. And you can easily build your channel. Once you have a good amount of subscribers and views, then you can start making those longer videos, like 8-minute videos or 10-minute videos. So this is how short feeds work. When these people start watching your shorts on shorts feed on YouTube app, they also go to your YouTube channel and they also watch other videos on your channel. So now you don't have to worry about getting ranked or getting suggested by YouTube videos. And now you can build your audience by doing a lot of shorts and asking them to view other videos on your YouTube channel. They also subscribe to your YouTube channel. This is the proof, guys. You can see, right, 6.6k subscribers on total. So let me go to the advanced mode and I'll show you guys one of our videos which got like 20,000 subscribers on total, just shorts, guys. So sorry, lifetime, and so you can see this one, right, subscribers. So this is a YouTube short we did, and we got like 19,000 subscribers just from this one shot, guys. So now we can monetize the subscribers by publishing longer videos to the channel, because when we have a 8-minute plus videos on our channel, we can have a lot of mid-roll ads, and every time people watch those ads, as a publisher we get paid. So that's how YouTube works. So that's what we started teaching on our training too, and most of our students also getting good amount of results from shorts, and they're going to scale those YouTube channels, and I will be making a lot of case studies like this. So if you guys are interested, do join. And so right now you can utilize YouTube Shorts to grow your YouTube channel, and it will be much more easier compared to 6 months ago. So right now shorts are really performing well, and I want to shoot this video as soon as possible. That's the reason I made this. So thanks for watching the video. Do leave a like and a comment on this video because it will help me grow on YouTube. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.